I am not one of those who look upon the tribal people as backward stock. I know you have your own customs, your own culture, your own way of life. Stop. We are anxious that you should progress and do so in your own special way. Stop. India is a vast country. Stop. We have any number of religions, any number of systems of life, and any number of customs. Stop. It is this picture of India that we have in view, just as in a beautiful structure you have got any number of stones and bricks collected and pieced together. Here in India we have got so many kinds of people all living together. Stop para. It is after a long time that we have become independent and attained complete freedom. Stop. We are now free to build our house in the way we like. Stop. I want you to realize that each one of you is now the ruler not only of one corner of India but of India as a whole. Stop. I have been elected president of the country as a whole. Stop. Any one of you can be elected like me to this high position. Stop. There is no bar. There is no restriction. Stop. You have to win it by your own service and by your love of the country. Stop. I am hoping that the day is not far off when the so called backward people will come to occupy the highest positions in society. Stop. I would therefore earnestly request you to consider what great achievement has been made by our attaining independence. Stop. Para. I have heard with great interest what you have said about your requirements and needs. Stop. I am not surprised. I would have been surprised if you had not told me of that. It is a happy sign that you have begun to feel that you know something and you have got somebody to whom you can make that demand. Stop. I was somewhat surprised when I was told while coming to this place this morning that no head of the state had ever visited these parts before. Stop. Well, whatever might have happened in the past, you must rest assured that your interest will be the interest of the country as a whole. Stop. It is realized that the greatest need of this part of the country at the present moment is improvement in communications and means of transport. Stop. As a result of the partition, Assam as a province was cut off from the rest of the country as the railway line which linked it with the rest of India passed through Pakistan. Stop. The government of India therefore naturally thought that the first priority should be given to the linking of Assam with the rest of the country by means of a railway which passes through Indian territory and not through Pakistan. Stop. That was done in record time by our railway department staff. In the course of my present visit, I have travelled to this part on that railway line stop. The government is also aware that you need a railway to link this part with, say, Golpada or Dobri. Stop. The matter is under active consideration and a survey is going to be made. Stop. Once it is done, many industries will develop here as you say. Stop. The government is giving also a high priority to the making of the roads there. Stop. Para. Assam is one of the most beautiful parts of India. Here we have the biggest river and sprawling mountains, green fields, and big dense forests. Stop. All these go to make this part of the country beautiful, but they also make communications difficult. Stop. We are trying and we hope we shall succeed in maintaining the beauty and at the same time improving the communications. Stop. The communications ministry has under contemplation the opening up here of a number of post offices and telegraph offices. Stop. It is also proposed to have landing grounds for aircraft in convenient places where other means of communication cannot be opened. Stop.